In this video, I'll be turning off unwanted background apps in Windows 10 as my computer is working really slow. Every app that is running in the background uses a portion of your computer RAM. That makes a computer run a little slower than what it would without those apps. Some background apps check for available updates on a regular basis and send and receive information back to the companies that develop those apps. So I find it useful to turn off all the apps that I do not use. Let's get it started. Go to Start, search for Settings, click on Privacy. Then on the left menu, scroll down a bit and click on Background Apps. Here you will see all the apps that are running in the background. The orange button shows that the app is running. Simply click the orange button to turn the app off that you do not want running. If you want all the background apps to be stopped running, then turn off the button on the top that says Let App Run in the Background. That's all. Restart the computer and your computer should be performing better. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and comment whether this made your PC perform better or not. If you have not subscribed to this channel already, please do so and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.